Everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Dahlia, and I'm gonna be a moderator for Group 2 presentation, and Aurel, Zoneta, Eva as a presenter. To the Honorable Ma'am Pinta and all of my friends, today the topic of the presentation on is sets, relation, and operation. Let's move on to the presentation. For Group 2, time is yours.
Thank you, Dahlia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Ma'am Pinta. We are from Group 2.
Okay, please continue.
Today we want to presenting set relation and operation. We are from Group 2. The member of Aurelia Finkan Manuel, Eva Pasca Luciana, Zoneta Lawili. We will explain about definition set, type of set, basic operation on set, and the last one, relation between two sets. First, definition set. A set is collection of elements. For example, set of two-legged animals, set of odd numbers, set of real numbers, and the last one, nice collection of paintings. How to declare set? First, words. Second, set forming notation. Third, register the members. And fourth, Venn diagram. First, words. The way to express the set in words is to mention all condition or characteristic of the members of the set in curly brackets. Example, A is a set of prime number between 20 and 5c. Written as A are consist prime number between 20 and 5c. Set-forming notation. The way to express a set with set-forming notation is to mention all the properties of the members of the set, where the member expressed in variable and written is curly brackets. Example, A is a set of prime number between 20 and 50. Written as A x such that x between 20 and 5c, x belong to prime number. Register member. The way to express a set is by registering its members by writing all the members of the set in curly brackets, and each member is delimited by a comma. Example, A is a set of prime number between 20 and 50. Written as A are consists of 23, 20, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, and 47. The last one, Venn diagram. Venn diagram is a pictorial representation of set represented by closed figure are called set diagram or Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams are used to illustrate various operations like union, interaction, and difference. we can express the relationship among set truth this in a more significant way from a for picture diagram when like that. The next material is the next material was read by my friend Eva.
The next subtopic is types of set. The first topic is universal set. Universal set is a type of set that contains all the members or objects of the set that is created and is usually symbolized by the letter S for semesta or U for universal. Example, X are consist of 2, 3, 5, and 7. Then we can write the possible set of universal set of A are S is prime numbers, or S is natural numbers, or S is whole numbers, or S is real numbers. But we can write it as S is odd numbers because there is a number 2 which is not an odd number. The second is null set. A null set is a type of set that has no members and is denoted by like this. For example, D are consist of prime number between 3 and 5. Since there are no prime number between 3 and 5, so D has no members. So it is an empty set or null set, written as D curly bracket without anything inside or D null set. The third is subset. Subset is a type of set that if A and B are two sets, and every element of set A is also an element of set B, then A is called a subset of B, and we write it as like this. The next is superset. Superset is a type of set that whenever a set A is a subset of set B, we say the B is superset. For example, C are consist 4, 5, and 6. D are consist of 4, 6, and 5. Then C is subset of D, or D is superset of C. The set have the same elements, which makes them equal. It tells that every set is a subset of itself. The null set is a subset of every set. The next is proper subset. Proper subset is a type of set that set A is a proper subset B if each member of A is also a member of B and notated like this. The next is proper superset. Proper superset is a type of set that if a proper superset of a set A is a superset of A that is not equal to A. In other words, if B is a proper superset of A, then all elements of A are in B, but B contains at least one element that is not in A and notated like this. For example, A are consist of 20, 30, and 40. B are consist of 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Element of element of B, at least one element that is not in A is 10 and 50. Then The conclusion is A is proper subset of B, or B is proper superset of A. If there is member A who is not member of B, then A is not a proper subset of B and is denoted by like this. Example, Q R consists of 2 and 6. Set of R consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then Q is not proper subset of R. The next is finite set. Finite set is a set of numbers that has a beginning and ending or countable. For example, number 1, D are consists of all colors of rainbow. Number 2 is P are consists of X such that X less than 7, X belongs to natural numbers. Number 3, Q are consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, soon until 10. The next is infinite set. Infinite set is a set of numbers that never ending or uncountable. For example, number 1, set of number of stars in the sky. Number 2 is B are consists of X such that greater than 1, X belongs to natural numbers. The last is A are consists of prime number. The next is equivalent set. Two set A and B are said to be equivalent if they have the same cardinal. The cardinality of A equal to the cardinality of B. The symbol of denoting an equivalent set is like this. Example, A are consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The cardinality of A is 5. B, the R consists of O, P, Q, R, S. The cardinality of B is 5. Therefore, A is equivalent of B. The next is equal set. To set A and B are said to be equal if they contain the same elements. Every element of A is an element of B. Every element of B is an element of A. But we don't have any problems if elements of A has different role with elements of B. Example, P are consists of A, B, C, D, E. Q are consists of E, C, A, D, B. Therefore, P is equal of Q. Notes. Equal set are always equivalent. Equivalent set may not be equal. The last is power set. Power set is a type of set that the collection of all subsets of set A is called the power set of A. It is denoted by like this. In power set of A, every element is a set. Example, if A are consists of A and B, then all the subset of A will be power set of A is a null site, A, B, or and A and B. Number of element of power set of A is the cardinality of power set of A equal to the 2 to the power of 2 equal to is 4. In general, the cardinality power set of A equal 2 to the power m, where m is the number of elements in set A. The next is my friend Aurelia.
Okay, next, the third subtopic that we will discuss is basic operation on set. Okay, the first is union. If two sets A and B are given, then the union of A and B is equal to the set that contains all the elements present in set A and set B. The combination of two sets is denoted by a sign like this, like the letter U. For example, if we have set A are consists of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, and set B are consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then A union B are consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10. And on the right side, we can see the Venn diagram of union. The blue area is represented union between A and B. Next. The second is intersection. If two sets A and B are given, then the intersection of A and B is the set of common elements that belong to set A and B. The intersection between two sets is denoted by a sign like this. For example, if we have set A are consists of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, and set B are consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then A intersection B are consists of 2, 4. And on the right side, we can see the Venn diagram of intersection. The blue area is represented intersection between A and B. The third is difference. If there are two sets A and B, then the difference of two sets A and B is equal to the set which consists of elements present in A but not in B. It is represented by A minus B like this. The difference between two sets is denoted by a sign minus. For example, if we have set A are consists of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, and set B are consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then A minus B are consists of 6, 8, and 10. And on the right side, we can see the Venn diagram of difference. The pink area is represented A minus B. And more important things is A minus B not equal to B minus A. And from the example, we can say B minus A are consists of 1, 3, and 5. The fourth is addition. Addition is a basic operation on sets where sets A plus set B, written A plus B, is a set that its members are of set A or set B, but not the members of A intersection B. For example, if we have set A are consists of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, and set B are consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then A addition B or A plus B are consists of 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, and 10. And on the right side, we can see the Venn diagram of addition. The pink area is represented addition between A and B. Next. The fifth is complement. If U is a universal set and A is any subset of U, then the complement of A is the set of all elements of the set U, apart from the elements of A. The complement of A is denoted like this. For example, if we have S is a universal set, are consists of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and set B are consists of A, D, G, and H. So A complement are consists of B, C, E, and F. And on the right side, we can see the Venn diagram of complement, and the pink area is represented A complement. The sixth is Cartesian multiplication. Let A and B are two sets. The Cartesian multiplication of A and B, denoted by A cross B, is the set of all order pairs A, B, where A and B are members of the sets A and B respectively. For example, if we have set A are consists of 1, 2, and set B are consists of X, Y, and Z, then A cross B are consists of 1X, 1Y, 1Z, 2X, 2Y, and 2Z. And we can see the diagram from the example. The last subtopic is relation between two sets. The first is disjoint set. Disjoint set is a relation between two sets and set A and B that if and only if there are no members together on A and B. Or in other words, A and B are said to be parted if A intersection B equal to null set. Set A is disjoint to set B can be written as like this, A to slash B. For example, A are consists of 1, 2, 3, 5, and set B are consists of 4, 6, 7. Then we can say set A is disjoint to set B because there are no members together on set A and set B. Next is disjoint set operation. There are 5 basic operations on set. There is A union B are equal to A plus B, A intersection B are equal to null set, A minus B are equal to A complement are equal to S minus A plus B are equal to A plus B. Next. The second is intersection set. Intersection set is a relation between two sets if they are members of set A and B in common. So a member who is included in set A also turns out to be included in set B. Set A is intersection to set B can be written as like this. For example, if we have set A are consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B are consists of 2, 3, and 10, then we can say set A is intersection to set B because they are members of set B, of set A and B in common. Next. Next is intersection set operation. A union B are equal to A plus B minus the intersection between A and B, and A intersection B and A minus B are equal to A minus the intersection between A and B, and A complement equal to S minus A, and A plus B are equal to the intersection between A and B union the intersection between B and A. Next. The third is equal set. Equal set is a relation between two sets that each member of set A is a member of set B, and each member of B is a member of A, even though they are not in the same order. Set A is equal to set B can be written as like this, A equal B. For example, if we have set A are consists of I, B, and U, and set B are consists of B, U, and I, then we can say set A is equal to set B because members of set A in set B too. Next. Next is equal set operation. A union B equal to set A or set B. A intersection B equal to set A or set B. A minus B are equal to null set. And A complement are equal to null set 2. And A plus B are equal to null set. Next. The fourth is subset. Subset is a relation between two sets that all members of set A are members of set B. Set A subset set B can be written as like this. For example, if we have set A are consists of A, D, E, and set B are consists of A, B, C, D, E, then we can say set A is subset set B, because to set that all members of set A are members of set B. Next is subset operation. A union B are equal to B, A intersection B are equal to A minus B are equal to null set, A complement are equal to S minus A, and A plus B are equal to null set.
Excuse me, moderator.
Okay, ma'am.
May I
Uh,
may I ask first?
Thank you to the presenter. Before I close group 2 presentation, I would like to tell the conclusion of the presentation. A set is a collection of elements. There are 4. Okay, thank you to the presenter. For Mem Pinta, you may give your opinion.
Yes, thank you, moderator. I want to ask for the group 2 about one of their presentation, and then could you go to the first slide or page 3 maybe, or slide 3 next for the yes, that's about the example. Hmm. Mohon maaf, Ibu belum lihat lengkap. Okay, good. For this example of set group 2, how about your example number 4? Nice collection of painting. Is it a set?
Yes, ma'am, itu aturan set, tapi lupa nulis set nice collection of painting. I'm sorry.
Pardon? Could you repeat your reason?
Forget to add set because dekat sama deadline, jadi kayak saya lupa.
Nice collection, it's become a set if you give a definition of nice. Nice collection is relative for one person to another person, so it could be a set. Okay, because this is an adjective. Nice and an adjective, kata sifat. So if you have a exactly definition of nice for one painting, maybe it's become a example for a set. But for set to like animal, for set of odd number, real number, it's okay. But for the number 4, it's maybe you can say that it is not a set before a person give a definition of a nice collection. What kind of a nice collection? Ya, bisa yang a full color, maybe full color of about about mountain, maybe like that, it's become a set. Okay, next. Ke halaman berikutnya. Okay, that's okay. Next. Terus saja dulu, nanti ya ada, kalau ada yang mesti diubah, Ibu akan bilang. Your group 4, your example about word set formatting and one of, it's a good presentation. You use the same example for a set prime number between 20 and 50. It is a good. And then you give that's how to make only a word set forming notation. And next is with kind of, you set one by one about the number of prime. It's a good present how to present, make make me or your friends understand about the difference between how to say set. This is the registered the members. And next, about diagram fan. Ibu belum terlihat. Okay, and then why in diagram fan, in fan diagram, that you stop your example. Mengapa di diagram fan Anda stop? Antara 20 sampai dengan 50-nya Anda stop di sini. Why you stop here? Kenapa di sini hanya diagram fan yang kosong begini? It's better that you still here with the same example. Okay, understand group 2? Okay, next. Okay, this is right, all of them, about universal set and about null set. Good. Next. Okay, this is one kind of how to explain about subset and superset is correct. Jadi Anda menyandingkan subset dan superset dengan example-nya, make us understand about what you are want to inform to us. So that's subset and superset is like a equal set, ya, dia seperti equal set. But how to say from C and how to say from D, ya. Tetapi di sini Anda mengatakan C atau D, it's not a different. But you said that C is a subset of D, so when you say from D is a superset of C. Okay, next about the proper. Sekarang yang di proper. Next. Yang di sini sudah benar. Okay, here. For the proper subset is a good. A is a proper subset of B and B is a proper superset of A. At least one element that is not A. Yeah. B contains at least one element that is not in A. So that note that B is a proper subset A. But for the example 2, that Q is a 2 and 6, R is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that you said Q is not proper subset of R. But how about from R? Bagaimana kalau dari R-nya? Kan orang bertanya, apakah R adalah proper superset of Q? If it is not, please write again here. Group 2. How about from R? Gimana kelompok 2? Gimana kalau dari R disebutnya? R is still not a proper superset of Q or not?
Yes, ma'am. From
Yes.
R is not proper superset of Q.
Because?
Because
there is no 6 in R. At least one element that is not in A, ya, paling tidak satu yang tidak ada di A, yang ada that's a proper superset. But if there is no that number, so that R is not a proper superset of Q. Bisa dimengerti? Kalau 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 itu apa? Ada, berarti memang dia seperti contoh di atas, begitu kan? Nah, tetapi sekarang masalahnya dia juga bukan proper superset karena angka 6 tidak ada. Tapi tolong ditambahkan supaya menjadi jelas bahwa bukan Q-nya saja, tetapi juga R-nya bukan proper superset. Oke, understand group 2? Oke, next. Ini cara penampilan yang bagus ya, jadinya kita menjadi jelas bahwa karena kadang-kadang kalau beda slide untuk membedakan proper dan super proper itu kemudian mesti bolak-balik ya. Ini tampilannya lebih apa? Maaf yang di bagian infinite bagian terakhir Ibu tidak lihat apa ya itu? 3 apa ya? Kok tidak terlihat di Ibu? Coba Ibu lihat di sini aja. Prime number. Infinite is a prime numbers. Oke. Next. Ini sudah benar. Finite and infinite. That's equivalent and equal. Good. Ini juga apa? Tampilan yang baik untuk membedakan. Sometimes everybody or everyone confused about equivalent set and equal set. But now understand exactly because for the equivalent only a cardinality is the same. Yeah. But for the equal is all of them is the same. Okay, next. Okay, who's presented here? How to say that the power of A? Tadi siapa yang presentasi di sini? Ibu mendengar cara membaca power set of A masih tidak terlalu benar.
I miss.
Yes, can you repeat how to say that's the power set of A?
Yang number
the element of power set of A is null set.
Null set. Null set. A, B, and A and B.
Okay, you said like that, ya. Anda katakan seperti itu, but look for the real. If you said A, Anda coba katakan bagaimana himpunan A dibaca. A is equals
A and B.
A and B. Is it the same with the power set of A is a null set, and then the set of A, set of, kan itu himpunan, bukannya hanya ABC, bukan AB dan AB saja. Himpunan di dalam himpunan, kan itu?
Yes, ma'am.
Apa?
Maaf. Bisa? Apa yang Ibu maksudkan? Kalau himpunan A isinya adalah A dan B. Tapi the power set of A isinya adalah himpunan 0, himpunan A, himpunan B, himpunan AB. Jadi cara membacanya kan agak beda. Power set isinya adalah anggotanya adalah himpunan juga. Bukan hanya A, B, dan AB begitu. Oke, could you? Anda bisa contohkan untuk teman Anda how to say that? Ya itu, power set.
Maybe power set of A are consists of null set.
Yes.
Are consists
Of.
A.
Yes. Set A.
A
Consists
consists
of
of
A and the set of this consists of B gitu.
Masalahnya kalau gue nyalain audio.
Coba Anda gunakan saja bahasa Indonesia dulu. Please. Anda siapa? Aurelia ya? Aurelia.
Eva.
Oh, Anda yang Eva justru. Oke, Eva. Anda gunakan bahasa Indonesia untuk menyatakan himpunan A adalah himpunan A yang anggotanya
A dan B.
Ya.
Terus
powernya
itu
himpunan power A.
Himpunan power A.
Anggotanya.
Himpunan kosong. Himpunan A, himpunan B, dan himpunan A dan B.
Himpunan dengan anggotanya adalah A, himpunan dengan anggotanya adalah B, dan himpunan dengan anggota A dan B. Kalau himpunan A, itu A besar lagi kan? Ini kan A kecil. Kalau himpunan A itu berarti nanti himpunan kosong, terus koma A besar, koma B besar, koma AB begitu. Jadi di dalam himpunan ada himpunan. Oke ya. Kalau memang ini agak sulit, boleh tolong ditambahkan di sini how to say in English-nya ya. Karena ada bagian yang agak beda di situ. Oke, ini jadi apa? Jadi bagian nanti yang direvisi, di situ ditambahkan how to say that. Oke, next. Basic operation. How many basic operation for set?
6, ma'am.
6. Okay, good. So it's about union. From the union, you use a intersection relation. Jadi untuk semua contoh di sini Anda menggunakannya semua yang beririsan ya. Oke, it's okay. Next, di sini benar sudah. And then this for the intersection, okay. Ini untuk bagian intersectionnya sendiri. Next. Tapi di belakang ada yang Anda terangkan nanti. Okay, that's for the difference. Yes, good. Sudah benar. For the addition after this, apa? Sudah ini addition. Ini slide keberapa nih? Okay, then now is from addition first. Balik dulu ke addition, tolong. Yang keempat. Okay, so that's addition is a basic operation on sets where set A plus set B written like that, it's a set that it's member of set A or set B, but not the members of A. That's what is irisan?
Intersection.
Intersection B. Okay. Okay. But you give us the position of, or the relation is like the is what's this beririsan nanti saling intersection, ya kayak ini nanti Anda mencontohkan yang seperti ini, but we will see for the next presentation of you. Okay, next. Jadi kita konsen di penjumlahan ya, nanti pada bagian penjumlahan, tetapi dengan posisi yang berbeda. Okay, next. That's the complement. Okay, I want to ask you why the complement is an operation. Kenapa complement itu adalah operasi? Apa yang membedakan operasi dengan relasi? Why is a complement is an operation?
Because complement use one set. Kalau relation itu hubungan antara dua set gitu, Ma'am.
Okay, so but why addition is an operation? Why different is operation? They use a two set. Complement is only use one set. But why we say operation? Coba Anda back yang tadi about union, about intersection, addition, difference, and complement. Why that's a complement is still one of a operation. Kenapa bagian dari operasi? Ada yang bisa menjawab, menerangkan? Oke. Sebelum bisa dijawab, kita next dulu saja. After the complement, is a Cartesian multiplication. Good. Cartesian multiplication is from two set also. Ini jadi dua himpunan. Next. It's good. Ini udah benar. Okay, now is a relation to set. How many relation of set?
4, Miss.
Only 4. Ya. Dari yang mereka berjauhan, mereka kemudian beririsan, kemudian akhirnya satu ke dalam, atau bahkan mereka sama ya. That's disjoint. It's good like this. And then next. Okay, is it good? Penyampaian yang baik di sini. All of the operation you give us for the one condition is a disjoint set. Okay, everybody agree that's when the disjoint is the union of A, B is equal from the A is added to B. Semua setuju? That's for the intersection is a null set. For the A minus B is only A, or B minus A is only B, ya, itu bisa dibolak-balik di situ. And then that's the A complement is a, apa itu? Di bawah, maaf Ibu tidak lihat. A complement is a S min A.
S minus A.
S minus A, good. And then for the A plus B isn't equal for the
A plus B too.
A plus B isn't A plus B. Is it equal from the A union B? It's better that. Lebih baik Anda sebutkan A union B di situ. Iya kan? Ya, A union B. Jadi revisi di situ sedikit. Oke, next. Ya, yang di atas juga B min A bisa Anda tambahkan sama dengan B ya. For the intersection. Tadi ada Ibu catat yang mana ya, yang kok agak salah kata. Maaf ya, Ibu balik lagi dulu. Slide 19 tadi ada revisi sedikit dari Ibu. Slide 19 about union. Tolong ke slide 19. Oke. Ini loh, Anda kebalik saja sedikit. Example, A itu kan bukannya E itu yang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ya
Yes,
kan?
ma'am.
Ya, oke ya. Hanya itu sebenarnya. Tidak terlalu salah banget. Hanya terbalik. Oke, kita continue lagi ke 22. Intersection. Okay, A is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then B is a 2, 3, and 10. Okay, lambang di bawahnya Anda ada lambang apa sih itu? Lambang di bawahnya, then
A set A intersection to set B, like yang kayak di contoh yang di atas, ma'am. Yang
iya,
set
itu
A
lambang apa ya? Itu lambang apa ya?
intersection set, ma'am. Jadi bisa use
lambang
yang
itu lambang intersection begitu?
iya, ma'am. Saya lihat ada di buku matematik.
Buku matematik. Oke, ya. Oke, next. Okay, next please. Oke. Sebelum equal, kita periksa dulu for the bagaimana menerangkan yang di bagian intersection, that's the blue one yang di gambar tengah itu. Ya, grup kelompok 2 untuk yang A irisan B itu malah tidak jelas yang mana A irisan B. Harusnya Anda beri nama mungkin ya. Yang biru itu dengan nama C begitu, maka A irisan B sama dengan C. For the A minus B, is it right? A minus B is an A minus hanya A dikurangi dengan irisannya. Irisan AB. Okay. And then the complement. Ibu tidak terlalu terlihat itu apa saja? S minus
A, ma'am. Irisannya kurang C ya.
A complement is
S equal to S minus A, ma'am.
S equal is S minus
Minus A.
minus A. Okay. Minus A because that's an intersection. And then the A plus B is a
The intersection between A minus the minus between A and B union the minus between B and A.
okay, correct. Only for the second A unit A intersection B justru ya yang tidak ada equal what equal, jadi equalnya diberi nama tambahan bahwa that's a name of set C. Okay, next. It's about an equal. Next to the 31. Page 31 is about equal. R union R intersection is a still set A or B, and then minus is a null set, and then for the A complement, are you sure that's a null set? A complement is equal B complement, ya ditulisnya begitu ya. A complement equal B complement is equal.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Harusnya apa?
A complement equal to B complement.
Equal
To B com. Yes.
Kok kenapa nul?
Yes,
S
ma'am.
S minus
S minus A
or S
or
minus?
S minus B.
Good. And then for the A plus B, why is a null set? Kenapa null set? Penjumlahan loh, penjumlahan. Nah ini yang tadi Ibu katakan pada saat penjumlahan Anda terpaku dengan apa yang ada di himpunan A ditambah dengan himpunan B dikurang dengan irisannya. Jika dia memang beririsan seperti contoh Anda. Tadi di slide berapa? Di slide depan ya. Di slide berapa tadi contoh Anda yang Ibu bilang hati-hati di edition di slide 22. Karena contoh Anda adalah beririsan. Sementara kalau kita sedang berada pada setnya itu sedang sama, maka penjumlahan A tambah B itu equals A plus B equals next next slide please. Ya, yang di sini. For the last pictures is about A equal B for the A plus B. Kalau pengurangannya jelas is a null set. For the complement, you have already give the right answer. A complement is equal to the B complement is equal to the S minus A or S minus B. But for the A plus B, for the condition is the A equal B.
Set A or set B, ma'am?
Yes, good. Set A or set B, or that's equal A equal B. Good. Next, nanti diperbaiki. Okay. Next. It's about subset. Yes. Next. Tolong di sini banyak yang harus diperbaiki. Okay, start from the A union B is B, is a good. And then for the A intersection B is an A. Ya, okay. That's commutative. Dibalik pun sama. But for the A minus B is a null set. A minus B is a null set. But for the B minus A, anggota A yang bukan anggota B, kalau A minus B. Tapi kalau B minus A, anggota B yang bukan anggota A. Ada kan? Anggota,
Yes, ma'am.
nah, kemudian ini seperti tadi, Anda arsir dan you make a new name like a C. B minus A is an arsir area, ya, you can say like that. Ya, bisa Anda arsir, kemudian Anda sebutkan itu sebagai himpunan C misalnya. Okay? And then for the complement, A complement is an S minus A. It's a right. But how about for the B complement? Anda belum lengkap di situ. B complement S minus?
Minus B, ma'am.
Yes, S minus B. Okay, give that. And then for this, A plus B.
Equal to B, ma'am, harusnya.
Equal?
To B. Satu.
Yes. Equal B. Yes. Ya, bukan himpunan kosong. Sudah. Mungkin Anda sudah catat ya yang mesti diperbaiki. Oke, next. Sesudah itu apa ya? Next. Okay. Thank you, moderator. Back to you.
Yes, thank you, Ma'am Pinta, for the opinion. Next, we have question and answer session for all my friends. Does anybody want to ask? You can raise your hand.
Anybody wants to ask group 2 before the quiz?
For my friends, does anybody want to ask? If you want to ask, you can raise your hand. Ma'am, maybe not anybody want to ask for group 2.
Okay, let's continue to the quiz.
Okay. For group 2, we can next to quiz. Yeah.
Group 2, continue.
Okay. The answer is C, yang word C.
Ada suara gua nggak? Yeah, yes, true. C. The answer is C. Words. Next question.
Group 2, this question that you mean your asked about the cardinality or the answer, a person have to say one by one. Maybe you want to know the cardinality of power of set G. Is it right?
Silakan Fauzia.
I think the answer is B because this is the metric of power set, which the rumus is 2 to the power of M. So because N is 4, 2 to the power of 4. So the answer is D.
The answer is correct.
Okay, group 2, your question is not for the answer 16. If G is a P, Q, R, S, then what is a P, the power, the set of the power of G? So the answer of that is an null set. Set consists P, set consists Q, and set consists R, set consists S. And then the next is set consists P and Q, set consists P and R, and set consists P and S. Anda mengerti? Pertanyaan Anda itu menanyakan cardinality-nya. Sehingga apa yang kurang di dalam tulisan Anda di sini? Jika jawabannya adalah ingin 16. N-nya, huruf N di depan. N dari PG. Iya tidak?
Yes, ma'am.
Ya, N kecil dari PG, baru jawabannya 16. Kalau tidak ada N-nya, jawabannya ya seperti tadi. Mulai dari 0 set, kemudian kurung kurawal P, kurung kurawal Q, dan seterusnya. Oke, jadi di sini karena jawabannya inginnya 16, maka Anda perbaiki soalnya. Oke, kelompok 2? Oke, next. Okay. Anybody wants to ask this? Tidak ada yang menjawab? Moderator, could you ask again to anybody? There is an Haikal and Nabila.
Yes, ma'am.
For group 2, you can select or Nabila or Haikal.
Nabila, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. The answer is B because 4, 6, and 8 is a set which consists of elements present in A but not in B. Is it true?
The answer
Yes.
is correct.
Haikal boleh jawab.
Okay, thank you for the change. My answer is A because yes, my answer is A.
The answer is correct.
Group 2, how about the answer D? If Ibu choose D, is it wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Because it's a complement, ma'am. S minus set A.
Oh, you mean that the answer is a blue one?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why we know that's the blue one? Because Ibu only look for the condition of A and B. If A and B is a set, like A is a subset of B, like A and D, so the union for the AB is the result is B. But when you say that the result is the blue one, not B, Anda judulnya justru the result bukannya B tapi the blue apa? Ya. Yang diarsir biru begitu ya. If the result is the blue one, so the answer is A. But if you only say B, that's D is the answer too. Mengerti ya?
Yes, ma'am.
Tolong Anda perbaiki soalnya justru. Kalau Haikal mengerti, kalau Ibu menjawabnya justru tadi berpikirnya untuk A dan D, ada dua jawaban. Okay, it's finished. Back to the moderator.
Okay. Quiz session has been finished. Before I close group 2 presentation, I would like to tell the conclusion of the presentation. A set is a collection of elements. There are 4 ways to declare the set. It has 11 types of set. Okay. So for all, thank you so much to Mem Pinta Denianti Sampurno and for my friends. Thank you very much for your great attention. May all those that we receive today can be beneficial for all of us. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for all of you. Thank you for all of you that for today that's we online meeting. Hope all of you is health. Ya, Ibu berharap semuanya juga sehat. Insya Allah minggu depan atau 2 minggu lagi kita bisa bertemu secara offline. Atau minggu depan malah online lagi dulu. Oke, jadi kelompok 2 ada beberapa tadi yang harus diperbaiki. Tidak salah total, tetapi justru hal-hal yang sangat rigid ya, rinci Anda harus perbaiki itu. Oke, Ibu sekali lagi terima kasih Anda bersedia online dengan Ibu hari ini. Ibu akhiri saja, mohon maaf jika ada kekurangan juga dari Ibu. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi, good morning.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning.
Bye-bye, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.